Hey, what is up, guys? It is your dude, your guy, Camden Garris, back with another video, and I'm probably not gonna look that way because my neck actually really badly hurts right now. Like, I think I have like a neck crick, and it won't go away for a couple days, and it hurts so bad. Like, I probably slept on the wrong side of the bed. So it's like affecting like back here and down here. I don't know why I'm wearing a coat, but as you can tell by the title, we will be burping for 15 minutes straight. So you know what? Let's just get on to the video, okay? Okay, I got some Diet Coke right here. Never mind, this is Pepsi. Forgot. Alright, let's get on to the video. Alright, there we go. The timer has started. Now let's do this. Oh, and if you guys like these videos, then subscribe, like, and comment down below, please. And also go follow my Instagram at Camden Garris, and then go follow my clothing brand at _future_minds on Instagram. Alright, let's do this. This video is going to be very short, but I am actually doing this for 15 minutes straight. Like, no joke, okay? Okay. Or else you guys would be bored of just me burping. I just puked. I literally just puked. It's on my floor. I'll be back. I have to keep going on. There's 7 minutes left. Guys, since I puked, you have to subscribe, okay? Okay. Alright. Guys, my giant pimple is still here. It's still annoying me. This is annoying me. My neck is annoying me. Oh, everything's annoying me. I can't believe I puked, you know? Oh, for me. I got acne cream all over. See? There, there, there. It looks way different. Wait. What the heck? Wait, look. This is way up higher. This is like down. Don't do these videos, guys, because I really just want to puke. Alright, that will end the video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like and comment down below, because I did actually puke. Because I have some new plans for these videos. Maybe another 3 types of these challenges. Maybe more. Like, just stay tuned, alright? So that will conclude the video. You guys are amazing. I will see you guys in my next video. I literally puked, so subscribe and like and comment down below. Give me some video ideas, suggestions in the comment sections. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. It is your boy, Came to Gears, checking out for now. And peace!